Hey, sir! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Sir, put your hands up!
Or was that you?
What?
You talking?
Yeah.
You talking shit on me. I was like,
Yeah, I did.
damn. I'm like,
It was a bad decision.
On November the 22nd, 2022, at approximately 7:55 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police responded to a call about a burglary in progress.
There's a guy trying to break in the house.
What door?
The back door.
What does he look like?
He's got blonde hair. What's he wearing? It's Kevin Hill. You know who it is.
Okay. Okay, how do you know Kevin? Is he somebody that used to live there?
We know him. There's nothing I've known him for years. He's crazy on drugs, and he just...
The officers arrived on scene, identified the male suspect, and attempted to take him into custody. The male suspect decided to run. Unbeknownst to him, one of the responding officers was a Division I track athlete in college, so he was caught. The burglary was not actually a burglary, but the man did have felony warrants for his arrest, so he went to jail. Enjoy the video.
Wondering when I copied your transmission, but I'm actually getting a 10-8. I'm going to have to put you back on 217 Clarendon. Caller says Kevin Hill, male, white, blonde hair, breaking into the back door. Has a gray hoodie on, baseball hat, blue jeans, says he's on 49A. If I can get somebody else to back up 1091 to the 217 Clarendon Avenue.
Yeah, it's actually Kyle radio. It's spelled like steel, but yeah, that's our guy.
We're pulling up.
Copy.
For him. And I think we just saw him in the rear of the building.
I copy. Possibly in the rear of the building. Again, Kevin Hill, male, white, blonde hair, gray hoodie, baseball hat.
Hey, sir! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up right now! Sir, find him yelling. Sir, put your hands, stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Alright. We have the male behind 94, the street just, what is that?
Highland.
94
Highland.
You said 94 Highland.
Oh my god.
Affirmative.
I'm sorry.
Why'd you start running?
Because you're dumb.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now.
He's running. West side.
Sir, put your hands up.
Get on the ground! I'm gonna tase you! Going down. Cutting back. Alright. Huh? I was scared.
Stop moving.
I'm sorry, okay.
You have an app.
Okay.
You have a cut seat, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought we wanted to cut seat right down to 57.
Turn your butt. Roll over and turn your butt.
Bad idea, my friend. I'm sorry.
I was scared, man.
Why?
Why?
Yeah, it's freaking.
Do you have anything on you? Weapons?
No, man.
No? Alright. Stand up.
Oh, God.
Got warrants?
Yeah. Just for saw you were here.
No needle. Do you have any needles?
No.
They gave 94 South Highland.
Yeah. Or was that you?
What?
You talking?
Yeah.
You talking shit on me? I was like,
Yeah, I did.
damn. I'm like,
It was a bad decision.
yeah, that's a good tackle, bro.
Thank you.
I thought it was you, dude. I was like, damn, pretty hard. Holy shit, I thought it was her. I was like, you ain't playing. That's why you thought.
We're just gonna walk him back to our car.
I don't see him nowhere.
Was it 194?
I think it's 194. 94 is the
It
church.
says 94 on the back. So, okay.
Everything out last night. So I was squatting.
Yeah, we
Okay.
slept in the cold, man, all night.
We'll figure it out. We could have just talked, but
Yeah, they always get it. You bring him out here face to face. Where are you doing with him? Where are you taking him?
jail.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
He says he got warrants.
You're taking him to one. You gotta use it.
It's like following me. To jail. I just told you. No. You don't run from the police and then get cigarettes.